Hello and welcome to this video on e-commerce. In this video, we're going to talk about what e-commerce is, why it's become so popular, and how you can get started with your own e-commerce business. So what is e-commerce? Simply put, e-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services online. It's a way to reach customers all around the world and sell them your product without the need for a physical storefront. The popularity of e-commerce has exploded in recent years, and it's easy to see why. More and more people shopping online, e-commerce offers a huge opportunity for businesses to reach new customers and grow their sales. So, how do you get started with e-commerce? First, you need to decide what product you want to sell. This could be physical products like clothing or electronics. It could easily be digital products like software or online courses. Next, you'll need to set up an online store. There's many platforms available to make it easy to get started, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. You also need to decide on a payment processor and figure out shipping and handling for your products. Once your store is set up, you'll need to start promoting it. This could include things like running ads, using social media, or reaching out to influencers in your niche. You also want to make sure you're having a solid marketing strategy in place to drive traffic and sales to your store. And finally, it's important to remember that e-commerce is all about providing great customer service. Make sure you're responsive to customers' inquiries and concerns, and always aim to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. In conclusion, e-commerce is a huge opportunity for businesses of all sizes, whether you're just starting or you're looking to grow your existing business. E-commerce can help you reach new customers and drive sales. So why not give it a try today? I'll be explaining more about e-commerce and how to actually make it to work out on to next video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave down below and be sure to subscribe to our channel.